Let's be real. If your business was a person, it'd be that genius friend who throws legendary parties but forgets to send out the address. People would love to show up, but they just can't find you. And that's exactly what's happening with your business right now. Your product, solid. Your team shows up, you're doing the work. But the reason new customers aren't, it's not bad luck, it's not the algorithm, it's that Google doesn't even know you exist. Meanwhile, your competitor, the one whose logo looks like crap, is getting all the clicks, calls, and customers. Why? Because they claimed their Google business profile and you didn't. Here's the wild part. Fixing this takes 15 minutes. 15 people. That's less time than it takes to wait in the Starbucks drive-thru. I don't do Starbucks, but I get it for my wife occasionally. And the ROI, customers for life. I've seen it firsthand for both Perch Merch and my painting company. I always ask my customers how they found us. You should too, because we need to know what's working. And the top two are always videos they found of me on social media, and I Googled it and you guys came up. That's it. No ads, no gimmicks, just a free listing that works over and over again while you sleep. So today I'm going to give you the step-by-step roadmap to finally get on the map, literally. By the end of this video, you're going to have your business showing up on Google and free advertising, free people. It will work at some point in time. So you might as well do it now because you really only have to do it once. So if $0 marketing thing is your advice, hit subscribe. I am changing the format a little bit. Every Tuesday, I'm going to put out an episode that's going to be straight up marketing stuff. And then every Thursday, I'm going to put out an episode like this, where it's step-by-step instructions on how to do one specific thing. Or I'm going to try to add some interviews. I have a couple people I'm talking to. You guys have been great, by the way. I'm having some spectacular conversations with people who listen to the show. So again, feel free to comment or text me 402-890-2000. So, all right, let's get into it, right? Okay, let's start with the basics. What is Google Business Profile and why should you care? Think of a Google Business Profile as your digital storefront. If somebody drives by your shop in real life, they see your sign, your hours, maybe a nice display in the window. Online, that's what this is. But for billions of people who never look up from their phones. Let's play it out. It's Saturday night. You're hungry. You type pizza near me into Google. What pops up? 3 businesses in a nice little box at the top of the screen. That's the local pack. These 3 spots are the Super Bowl of local business. If you're not there, you don't exist. I don't care if your pizza can make Gordon Ramsay cry. Nobody's finding you. And here's the kicker. Almost half of all Google searches are people looking for local services. Listen, people, you don't have to have a storefront for this either. Like I said, my painting company is a service-based business with no office. I have used my accountant's office as an address for Google because you can't use a P.O. box. I have used my house and as well as Perch Merch. You have to have some place that they can send you this little postcard that verifies that you're actually legit. Okay, sorry, got off track again. So let me go back. Almost half of all Google searches are people looking for local services. That's half your potential customer disappearing into the void because you never set up your profile. Google decides who gets shown based on 3 things. Relevance. Do you actually match what people search? Pizza means pizza, right? 2, distance. Are you close to the searcher? Nobody's driving 3 towns over for an oil change. And 3, prominence. Do you look legit? Reviews, photos, accurate information. If your profile looks like a ghost town, you're toast. So let's go with the step-by-step. Grab your phone or your laptop, pause when you need to. Let's build this together. Otherwise, take mental notes, and when you're home, do it. Step 1, get a Gmail. Yes, you need a Gmail account. If you don't have one, make one. It's free. It's literally free, just like this. Step 2, go to google.com/business. and hit the Manage Now. Click that big shiny button. That is basically cheat codes for free marketing. Step 3, search your business. So a lot of times, if you search your business, you already have a Google profile. They already made you a listing without asking. If you see your business, click Claim Your Business. If not, add it yourself. And please, for the love of all marketing, use your real business name. Don't stuff it with fake keywords. Google can smell that out fast. Like I once saw a barbershop listed as a general store. That's not quirky. That's confusing. Nobody's walking in for a haircut and walking out with beef jerky. This is also where naming comes in. I have a friend who owns a coffee shop called The Charging Station. And if people ever Google charging station, including me when I wanted to go there for the first time, that's not what comes up, as you can imagine. Step 4, Pick the right category, right? Be specific. If you're a roofing contractor, that's right, you're going to type roofing contractor. If you're a dog groomer, don't pick consultant. That's how you end up right next to business coaches instead of pet owners. Step 5, add your address or service area. If customers come to you, put your address. If you go to them, pick service area. You can add up to 20. Pro tip, list places you want to expand into, right? So if you're a cleaning business in Kansas City, Missouri, like you can put cities or service areas that are 30 minutes to an hour away. However far you want to travel, put that as your service area. 0 ads, free expansion. Plus, you're just widening the net. Step 6, add your contact info. Phone, website, booking link. Don't make people track you down like Carmen Sandiego. We have to kiss this. Keep it simple, stupid, because people are lazy. So make it as easy as possible to get a hold of you right then and there. Step 7, verify your business. This is Google saying, prove you're real, right? So this is where that postcard in the mail, phone or text, email, and I guess you can also do like a video where you literally walk around showing your storefront or your work van or something. I don't know. I have not had to do that one. But if you skip this step, you basically built a house and threw the keys into the ocean. And then this is where most people stop, but not you. You're going to keep going, right? So we're going to do business hours. You're going to keep them updated. Example, Google says you're open Sunday, but you're actually closed. Customer drives across town, finds your doors locked, and now they're mad at you. We don't want mad people, right? Because an unsatisfied customer is 5 times more likely to tell people about their bad experience than they are their good experience. So then congratulations, you earned a 1-star review and a lifelong enemy. And you didn't even do anything. Business description. You get 750 characters. Don't waste it on, we do good work, we're reliable. Again, everybody says that. Stop doing that. Instead, try trusted landscaping experts in Omaha, specializing in patios, garden design, and weekly maintenance. It's keyword rich, and it sounds like a human, not a robot. You can still use ChatGPT to be creative, but stay away from what everybody else has. You can put a little quirkiness in this. Make it your own. Stand out, okay? Photos. We're going to upload a bunch. Logo, cover photo, inside, outside, staff, products. Businesses with 100 plus photos get more clicks. And here's a little hack. Upload with your phone's location turned on. Those geotagged photos are like GPS receipts for Google. Okay, and we're going to go to attributes. Women-owned, veteran-owned, wheelchair accessible. These show up in filters. If it applies, use it. There is no harm in using anything that applies. Services and products, list them all. Don't just say plumbing. You want to add toilet repair, leaky pipe repair, like put them all. Water heater repair, emergency drain cleaning. That's how you show up for super specific searches, because let's be honest, when we are trying to find something, sometimes we're very specific. If my kitchen sink is leaking, I will literally Google kitchen sink leaking. Okay. Then we're going to do a Q&A right on there. Don't wait for strangers to ask. Ask yourself. Same day. Do you do same day service? We do same day plumbing in whatever area. Boom. Free keyword again. Keywords are key. Get it? All right. Messaging. Turn it on only if you're going to respond quickly. Otherwise, keep it your phone number or email. Whatever you respond to quickly is what you want on there, right? Because we all know, especially somebody with a leaking toilet or something, they are in a hurry. They don't have time to dick around. My voicemail, which basically any call that's not in my contact list goes straight to voicemail, straight up says, you need a fast answer, text me. If you need a quick service, text me. And people do it. Plus, they'd rather text half the time anyway. They just didn't know if they could on the phone number or not. So if you're not going to respond quickly, just skip that messaging part. Okay. And this is what really makes you relevant. Reviews, free referrals, right? You're going to ask for them constantly. Send a text with the link. Make it easy. Again, keep it simple, stupid. People love easiness. They even have those new cards that you can get online. I do not currently sell them, but apparently you tap somebody's phone with it and it takes them straight to your Google page to review. And listen, people, you can have anybody review. Have your mom review, your sister, your aunt, your ex, if they'll say something nice. You want as many as possible. Try not to get them to do it all at the exact same time, like spread it out a day or something. So Tuesday, we're going to have Sally do a review. And then Wednesday, have Timmy, do one and just keep going. Maybe that's part of your one a day thing is you find somebody to Google review you because it will pay off. I guarantee it. And if it's good, make sure to thank them. Make sure to take that review, screenshot it, and then put it on your social medias, remember, as well as tagging them because there's also a chance they're going to share it. Either way, your reach is a lot further because you tagged somebody. Remember, we talked about that in past episodes. Bad review. Okay, we had an entire episode on my bad review. Don't fight it. Someone says your waiting room music sucks. Reply with sorry. We'll switch that from death metal to Taylor Swift next time. It shows personality, yet professionalism at the same time. Okay? Little hack, coach customers to use keywords. Instead of great job, get them to write best HVAC repair in town. But make sure they actually spell out that town. That little phrase, again, can bump your ranking. We're going to do this daily. We're going to ask somebody new every single day. Okay? Google Post. And this is what I am working on right now. They're free ads. They disappear every 7 days. So you have to post weekly. Updates, promos, new services, even behind the scenes. So example, I could say now offering 3D embroidery. That can literally help me rank for embroidery. But again, it takes 30 seconds once a week for me to do that. And if I get one customer off of it, at some point, I'm pretty sure that's worth it, right, people? Plus, that one customer can change your life. We all know that. It just takes one customer to change your entire life. I've got a buddy who runs a small roofing company. For years, 90% of his work was just word of mouth. He would brag about how it was just word of mouth. Then he finally set up and optimized his Google business profile, loaded it with photos, pumped up reviews, posted weekly. 6 months later, he was getting more calls from Google Maps than the referrals, the word of mouth. And the cost? Zero, people. Free leads. All because he took 15 minutes to do what we're talking about right now. You have nothing to lose. Okay, so let's wrap it up. Step 1, claim and verify your profile. Step 2, fill out every single detail. Again, fill out every single detail. Step 3, upload photos like your business is auditioning for America's Next Top Model. So don't put blurry photos on there. Make them good. Use your photo editors. Use CapCut. CapCut has a photo editor in it. It is also spectacular. Step 4, get reviews and respond like a pro, especially the good ones. You always want to respond. It's just like in the comment section of your social media. Always respond. Although, little update, I still never responded to my one bad review, but it's not on Google. It's on social media. Step 5, post weekly. Keep it going. Keep it alive. This is how we keep things alive, right? Just like your social media, you got to keep it alive. Otherwise, you're just going to die. Do that, and you go from invisible to unavoidable. From losing Becky down the street to winning Becky, her friends, and everyone else searching near me. Because here's the truth. If you don't exist on Google, you don't exist. We all use it, so you cannot deny that. So subscribe. Share this with your business buddies. Search your business buddies' profiles and see what theirs looks like and do this together. And I'll see you next time. Same grind, $0.